Hello, today we're learning how to make a restaurant reservation and speak at a restaurant. And these two friends will help us. This is Alex and his dog Jake. And Jake is a very unusual dog because he can talk. And now they're having a very interesting conversation. Let's listen to them. Alex, we're living a very boring life. We're not going out at all. Let's go to a restaurant. Dogs do not go to restaurants. Blah blah blah. Some might say that dogs do not talk. Okay, you're right. Anyway, why not? I will make a reservation now. And now Alex is talking with the hostess of the restaurant on the phone. Hello, I'd like to make a dinner reservation. Okay, for which day and what time? It is for Friday, October the 13th, 9 p.m. if possible. Okay, a table for how many guests? Only 2 of us, me and my friend. Okay, may I have your name, please? Of course, my name is Alex. And the telephone number, please. It is 203-003-123. Okay, let me repeat the table reservation details. A table for 2 on Friday, October the 13th at 9 p.m. in the name of Mr. Alex, and the telephone number is 203-003-123. Is that correct? Yes, that's right. When you're making a restaurant reservation on the phone, you can say the following. I would like to make a dinner reservation. I would like to book a table. Do you have any free tables for 2, 3, 4 people or for a party of 2, 3, 4 people? And the date and time of your reservation, for example, for this evening at 7 or for Friday at 9 p.m. or for October the 13th at 7 p.m. A host or a hostess may ask you the following. When would you like to come? When will you be joining us? For which day and what time? They can also ask you about the number of people that are going to come. For example, a table for how many people or guests? How many people or how many will be in the party? How many people will you need the reservation for? In return, you can say the following. A table for 2, please. Only 2 of us. There will be 2 of us, 3 of us, or 4 of us. And when the restaurant doesn't have any free tables for that date, you can hear the following. Sorry, we have no available space at this time. Sorry, we do not have a table available for that date. And they can suggest some alternatives. For example, is it okay to have it at 8 o'clock or on Sunday? And at the end of the conversation, they may ask you the following. May I have your name, your telephone number, please? And say, let me repeat the reservation details. Are you ready to order? Yes. Oh. Yes, he can talk. Can I get a vegetable salad and a glass of tomato juice, please? Would you like any appetizers? No, thanks. And what can I get for you, sir? May I get actually everything? No, you can't get everything. Okay then. Can I get some rice and chicken fillet, please? Anything to drink? A bowl of water, please. Okay, would you like to see the dessert menu? No, that'll be it for now, thank you. A waiter or a waitress at the restaurant can ask you, are you ready to order? Can I start you off with anything to drink? Would you like any appetizers? Or would you like any starters? What can I get you? Or what can I get for you? Would you like to see the wine list? Would you like to see the dessert menu? How would you like your steak? Rare, medium, well done? What are you having as a main course or as the main course? Anything to drink, or a more polite phrase, would you like something to drink? And the guests say, we are ready to order. Can I or may I get a vegetable salad and a glass of juice? And if you don't want anything else, you can say, that will be it for now. Would you like anything else? Just a cup of coffee, please. And a bone, please. I'm sorry, sir, but we do not have bones on the menu. It's a pity. And may we have the bill, please? How would you like to pay? By credit card or in cash? In cash. And at the end of the dinner, you should ask for a bill. May we have the bill, please? Or may we have the check, please? Which is a more American variant. And the question is, how would you like to pay? By credit card or in cash? So, that was a good evening out, wasn't it? Yes, right. If you find this video useful, please drop me a like and subscribe to my channel.